Because of the heat, I have a slight headache. I don't know whether I'll be able to complete this or not. It's too much incline. See, it's too much incline. मैं कुछ महीने पहले गोवा घूमने गया था एंड मुझे वापस जाना था बैंगलोर वाया बस. तो मैं सुबह जब उठा फाइनल डे में मैंने चेक करा बस स्टैंड कितना दूर है एंड इट वाज 16 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम माय होटल. बट बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा दिमाग से पागल हूँ, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थॉट दैट केम टू माई माइंड. I think I'll just walk to that place. It's 16 kilometers from this hotel and I'm planning to just walk. I have 6 hours. I think I can cover that distance easily. You're probably asking why. Well, I had to do it because...
So somebody had to do it. I am the chosen one. Somebody had to do it.
In this video, I'll cover what that 16-kilometer walk did to my body, what I was feeling throughout the walk, and what I learned from this whole experience. Now, if you're traveling by car, you'll see sceneries beside you. You know, life kind of seems like a movie. There are songs playing in the car. You know, it's a whole thing. But if you are walking on the streets with the locals, with the traffic, you come across these experiences that you might not have come across अगर तुम्हें गाड़ी में होते. If you guys notice, so मेरे पीछे there were some people. I noticed they were playing poker. Right in front of me, 2 people just came and they were like, "Yo, bro, what's up?" They just started playing poker. Such a chill life, close to nature, close to water, and you know, just take a look at that. Only in South India. So these are just random experiences. These boys that I saw, they were locals. एंड उनकी दोस्ती जो थी, उनका जो एक दूसरे के साथ जो कैमराडरी थी उनकी, इट वॉज सो गुड, इट वॉज सो नाइस एंड इट वॉज सो नेचुरल. एंड रिवर के साइड पे गेम खेलना इज गोल्स. बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट आई हैव स्लाइट हेडेक. आई डोंट नो वेदर I'll be able to complete this or not. This part of the trip I had a lot of doubt. I was 5 kilometers in and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो पाएगा. And I was planning to hitchhike. But नहीं, I kept on going because I like this kind of feeling. I don't know why. Yeah. I was just kind of loving the pain my body was going through. वही डेविड कॉगिन्स की जो आत्मा आ गई इस ट्रिप में. Guys, एक चीज़ है, गोवा की गर्मी में अगर तुम चल रहे हो, जो कि बहुत रेयर होगा, एक नॉन अल्कोहलिक बियर उठाने ना भूलना. It will give you that fake buzz and it will keep you, you know, going. And it tastes good and it's non-alcoholic, so no issues on your system. So win-win situation, guys. So guys, ट्रिप में एक और रियलाइजेशन हुई कि चाहे जितना भी हेनिकन पी लो, बडवाइज़र पी लो, कोका कोला पी लो, काम आता साला शुगर किंग का जूस ही है. क्योंकि हेनिकन के उस कैन से हेडेक थोड़ा बढ़ गया. It's too much incline. See, it's too much incline. At this point of the trip, I was literally tripping. I was in a trance state and My body was functioning, I don't know how, but I knew one thing, that I've made this far, I'm not gonna stop. Despite the fact that it was way too steep of an incline. Because I knew that I'll feel very nice at the end of the trip. Right now, I'm fine. Mostly doing fine. But, what do you say? The sun is harsh and incline is not ending. So let's see. Wish me luck. Okay, so one thing, I'm not giving up. I'm not hitchhiking. Because I think I can do it. It's doable. I'm just putting my mind into it and just listening to my favorite song. And it's kind of working. So, few physical symptoms when I climbed the incline. So my hands are tight. The pump is kind of different in the body, and it's like doesn't increase the size of the muscle, but it's making my muscles very tight. And of course, I'm sweating like deep. The road is fine. There's not much of an incline right now. So yeah, I've picked up my pace and see you after a while. Okay, so I finally reached the destination. It took me around 4 hours to reach the bus stop. It's right in front of me and I can see it. But yeah, it feels great. The blood is rushing like crazy. Endorphins are crazy. I'm sweating like crazy. But does it feel good? And I think it was worth it. It was worth the experience. I think I would love to go on more hikes. Like proper hikes, you know, planned hikes, not like this. This was a shocker for my brain, for my body, especially for my calves. अब ये सब करने की ज़रूरत मेरे को थी नहीं, ना ही मैं बोलूँगा कि आप लोग करो, बट I just feel that life is too short not to have these kind of spontaneous plans. I mean, as teenagers or young adults, we have these crazy drunk plans with our friends, and we don't even think once before doing that. And I feel this was a very healthy way of spending my time that I had. And this was an experience that I might not be able to experience once I'm old. And trust me, it might not seem like it, but you do get old very fast. So जितना भी experience तुम कर सकते हो life को करो. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा ये सब कुछ करो. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ that go for that hike. You know, go for that गोवा का plan. Because time बहुत कम है यार. And fitness में ध्यान दो, बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दो. जितना अपनी बॉडी को यूज़ कर सकते हो, जितना अपनी बॉडी को ओवर ड्राइव में डाल सकते हो, जितना अपनी बॉडी को एक्टिव कर सकते हो, अपने हार्ट को जितना पंप कर सकते हो, उतना करो यार. बिकॉज ये टाइम वापस नहीं मिलेगा. बाकी जो करना है करो. आई मीन योर लाइफ. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई, प्लीज़ ड्रॉप अ लाइक. आई वुड अप्रिशिएट इट सो मच. एंड expect these kind of videos in the future, because मेरे दिमाग में थोड़ा डेविड गॉगिन्स की आत्मा भी है, and you can expect these kind of videos in the future. So if you want these kind of similar videos in the future, please like and subscribe my channel. It'll make my day. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.